Welcome dear students. This is your second video of chapter Chemical Reaction and Equation class 10. I am your teacher अभिनव त्यागी. स्टूडेंट इससे पहले हम केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड इक्वेशन का पार्ट 1 रिलीज़ कर चुके हैं. स्टूडेंट्स अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखी है तो आप प्लेलिस्ट में जाके वो वीडियो देख लीजिए. अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लीजिएगा और ये वीडियो आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर कर सकते हैं. Next, let's start. Activity 1.2 Mixing of lead nitrate and potassium iodide. First we have to know what is the formula of lead nitrate. Lead nitrate formula is PbNO3 whole twice, where lead stands for Pb and nitrate stands for NO3 whole twice. Potassium iodide means Ki. Here K means potassium and I means iodide. When they both react with each other, precipitate of lead iodide is formed along with potassium nitrate. In this reaction, precipitates are formed, so that is why this reaction is known as under the category of precipitation reaction. Also, here the displacing the double, so that is why this is also an example of double displacement reaction. We can also see here the yellow color precipitates are formed. Now activity 1.3, in which the reaction of zinc granules with dilute acid. What happens when zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid? Students, we know that zinc is more reactive than hydrogen. So zinc हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड से हाइड्रोजन को रिमूव कर देता है और जिंक क्लोराइड फॉर्म करता है. इस रिएक्शन में हाइड्रोजन गैस भी फॉर्म होती है. फॉर द कन्फर्मेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन गैस वी कैन ब्रिंग अ बर्निंग कैंडल ओवर द हाइड्रोजन गैस. देन द हाइड्रोजन गैस burns with pop sound. So this is the confirmation test of hydrogen. The same reaction can happen with zinc and sulfuric acid. The type of reactions. In this chapter we will try to understand different type of chemical reaction, in which some reactions are exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction, combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and finally redox reaction, in which there are two types of reaction, that is the reduction reaction and oxidation reaction. काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है. प्रीवियस एग्जाम्स में यहाँ से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे भी गए हैं. First we will try to understand exothermic reaction. The exothermic word is a combination of two different words. One is exit and second is thermal. Thermal means heat. It means it is a type of reaction in which heat is liberated or heat is exit or heat is released. So the reaction in which heat is released are known as exothermic reaction. ऐसी रिएक्शन जिसमें हीट रिलीज होती है, टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होता है, उस रिएक्शन को हम एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, बर्निंग ऑफ नेचुरल गैस. नेचुरल गैस में मेथेन आ जाती है जनरली, एंड द फॉर्मूला ऑफ मेथेन इज CH4. When methane reacts with atmospheric oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide, water vapor and heat. Heat is releasing, so it is an example of exothermic reaction. The second example is burning of hydrogen in air. When hydrogen reacts with atmospheric oxygen, it forms water vapor and heat is released. Again, it is an example of exothermic reaction. Student, generally all combination reactions are exothermic reaction, and respiration is also an example of exothermic reaction. Second is endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction means a reaction in which heat is absorbed or temperature is decreased. ऐसी रिएक्शन जिसमें हीट एब्जॉर्ब होती है या टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज होता है, उस रिएक्शन को हम एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन कहते हैं. द रिएक्शन in which heat is absorbed are known as endothermic reaction. Example, heating of calcium carbonate. कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट जिसको हम लाइमस्टोन भी कहते हैं, जब इसको हम हीट करते हैं then it decompose into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So for this reaction we require heat from other sources, so it is an example of endothermic reaction. Thank you so much.